Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to play the country motions F major. This for the country motion F major is for the grade 5 syllabus. So as you know, F major only have a B flat, so I'm going to show you the right hand finger number. Right hand will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So very special, ended with 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every B flat you turn finger 4. Then E you turn finger 3. If you see B flat, turn finger 4. So your pattern will be 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then 4, 4, 3, 4. When you left hand turn, so left hand go 1, 2, 3, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So when you do hands together, you need to see the left hand finger. So go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So 4, you change to 1. That 1 octave finish already. 2, 3. Remember the B flat must be finger 4. Then this one 1, 2, 3. You kick 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 octave already. Right hand ended with a 4. Left hand ended with a 5. Then go back 4, 3, 2, 1. Say the left hand finger number while go down. Then you just remember your right hand every B flat turn finger 4. So you turn finger 4. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I turn 3. So 1 change to 5. 1 change to 4. Then B flat finger 4. Turn 3.